Good afternoon, truck guys and gals. Time for an update on the diesel Gladiator. Making some progress. The big deal since we saw last time was the boxing in the transfer case. So we got that done with 100 thousandths thick steel, which is thicker than the stock steel, which is 70 thousandths. And with the angle, it puts the strength back in the cab that was lost when we cut the floor out. I'm real grateful that box turned out that way, strengthening up both the back of the cab and the floor. Since when I first cut the floor out to channel the body, it's not strictly channeled in the sense that the frame rails aren't sticking through the floor, but it did allow me to set the cab 10 inches down onto the frame. It just making it aesthetically better. So we've got the steering hooked up. Steering box goes over to that converter. Got the brake pedal hung up here. It's nice as we don't have to locate a master cylinder, we just need to run our brake hoses. The seat is the center seat out of a minivan. Fits in there pretty good. Quick disconnect the steering wheel. I had it here handy. I could show how it all works. I'll do that next time. So for the next one, we'll put the steering wheel on there. I'll demonstrate how all those interconnecting gears and whatnot works. And I'll have the doors on. And then we'll work on mounting the fuel tank. Talk with you next time.